Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I discuss about Hermitian operator in quantum mechanics. So, if A is an Hermitian operator and psi is the admissible state function, then we can write minus infinity to plus infinity psi star S psi dx equal to minus infinity to plus infinity S psi star psi into dx. And also you remember the eigenvalue of the Hermitian operator is real and eigenfunction are orthogonal for two different eigenvalues. Now we discuss about another condition which must satisfy Hermitian operator. So an operator A is an Hermitian operator if when it is equal to an Hermitian conjugate. That means A dagger is equal to A. Then it is called Hermitian operator. Also we know A dagger means A conjugate the transpose. So now we discuss about Hermitian conjugate. Suppose we take an operator A is equal to 1 0 I1. Now Hermitian operators mean we calculate conjugate, then we calculate transpose. So we know conjugate of x plus iy is equal to x minus iy. So the conjugate of A means A star is equal to 1 0 minus I1. Now we calculate the transpose. That means we change the row to column and column to row. Then we can find Hermitian conjugate A dagger is equal to that we transform row to column, column to row. That means 1 minus I 0 1. That is the Hermitian conjugate. Now if A dagger is equal to minus A, then it is called anti-Hermitian. So for example, if A is equal to suppose I 0 0 I, this is an operator, and if we take its conjugate, that means minus I 0 0 minus I. Now if we take its transpose, that means A dagger equal to same row to column, column to row, and that means A dagger is equal to, if we take minus I 0 0 I, that means minus A. So which satisfy that condition A dagger is equal to minus A is called anti-Hermitian. And also you remember some properties of Hermitian operator. Sum of two Hermitian operator is Hermitian and the product of Hermitian operator is Hermitian if and only if they are commute. And also you remember that the momentum operator is also Hermitian operator. Now we discuss some problem related to Hermitian operator. Before discuss the problem of Hermitian operator, we remember some basic properties, that is, if A and B are the two operators, Hermitian operators, and if we take the dagger, that means A B dagger is equal to B dagger A dagger. And also we remember del x dagger equal to minus del x. And third property is if A is a constant and A is an operator and we take the dagger, then constant term we get conjugate and A is A dagger. That means A dagger equal to A conjugate A dagger, and x dagger equal to x, and A dagger whole to the power n equal to A whole to the power n dagger. That properties you remember for mathematical problem. Now we discuss one important problem on Hermitian operator. The question is, the Hermitian operator among the following is I h cut del square del x square minus I h cut del del x, I h cut x and I h cut. Which one is the Hermitian operator? That we calculate. So we discuss some basic properties, that ddx dagger equal to minus ddx, ab dagger equal to b dagger a dagger, and if a is the constant, then a dagger equal to a conjugate into a dagger. Using this rule we solve this problem. So first one is I h cut d square dx square. So for if a operator is an Hermitian operator, we know a dagger is equal to a. If an operator is anti-Hermitian, then we know a dagger is equal to minus a. Now first one is I h cut d square dx square. So I h cut d square dx square dagger means I h cut conjugate into ddx into ddx dagger. So I h cut conjugate means minus I h cut ddx dagger ddx dagger. ddx dagger also we know minus ddx. So here we use minus ddx and minus ddx, minus minus plus, then we get I h cut d square dx square dagger equal to minus I h cut d square dx square, which is anti-Hermitian. Now for second problem, minus I h cut ddx dagger, that given minus I h cut ddx dagger. So minus I h cut dagger into ddx dagger. Minus I h cut dagger means I h cut and ddx dagger equal to minus ddx. That means minus I h cut ddx. So a dagger is equal to a. So it is Hermitian operator. So the option is 2. Second option is correct, and the Hermitian operator is minus I h cut ddx. Now if we solve third problem, I h cut x whole dagger equal to I h cut conjugate into x dagger. X dagger we know x and I h cut dagger is minus I h cut. We understand how we check an operator is Hermitian or not. Now we discuss another problem of Hermitian operator. Problem is given a is equal to minus ddx plus x. Question asks, check it is Hermitian or not. So we know if an operator is Hermitian operator if a dagger is equal to a, and it is called anti-Hermitian if a dagger is equal to minus a. So here given a equal to minus ddx plus x. If we calculate a dagger and we get a, then it is Hermitian. If minus a, it is anti-Hermitian. So we calculate a dagger. A dagger means minus ddx plus x dagger. So minus ddx means ddx plus x dagger means x. So a dagger is not equal to a or not equal to minus a. So we can say it is neither Hermitian nor anti-Hermitian. And another question is given, then if a is neither Hermitian nor anti-Hermitian, then a dagger is Hermitian or not, that we check. So here we given a dagger is equal to ddx of x and a is equal to minus ddx plus x. So we calculate a dagger is Hermitian or not. So another rule we know, a b dagger equal to b dagger a dagger. So a dagger whole dagger equal to a means minus ddx plus x, a dagger means ddx plus x. So a b dagger equal to b dagger a dagger. So this is b, this is a, this is b. So b dagger means ddx plus x dagger into minus ddx plus x dagger. So ddx plus x dagger means minus ddx plus x, and minus ddx plus x dagger means ddx plus x. So this is a and this is a dagger. So we get a dagger whole dagger equal to a dagger a dagger. So which is Hermitian. That means we can say if a is equal to minus ddx plus x A is equal to minus ddx plus x. Then A dagger is Hermitian. This problem is very important for MSc entrance test. Also it is important for NET and GATE examination.